In this video, I want to show you how to connect a USB hub with many different devices to your iPhone 16e. So let's get started. The iPhone 16e only has one USB Type-C port. So you'll have to purchase a dock, a USB hub that has a USB Type-C connector, obviously. All right. There's so many on the market. I'll put links in the description towards the one I prefer. This is maybe not one I recommend. I use this one with my computer mostly, but it also works with a iPhone. So basically, there's many different docks depending what are your needs. Some of them will have a card reader, some of them will have an HDMI, and some of them will even have different other features like Ethernet ports and other stuff. For this video, I'll use another dock, another USB hub that has 3 USB Type-C, another USB Type-C for power delivering, so you can connect power over here that will provide power to your that will charge your phone at the same time you're using all the other device. And if you have a hard drive that needs power, well, by having hub connected to power, well, you will be able to power your other devices at the same time. And this one also has an HDMI. So step number 1 is to connect the iPhone to the hub, and usually these will have one port that says host, and this is where it goes. Then connect your devices. I have a USB drive over here, and also one of these USB adapter that I can connect a flash drive, a SD card. You can have more than 2 devices. You can have 5 of them. And if you go into the Files app on your phone, so this is how it looks, the Files app. If you don't see it anywhere, go all the way towards the right side, tap on the top and type Files. If you're here on my iPhone, by the way, click Browse to get on the main menu. You should see every connected device. I have 2, and here they are. If you tap on them, you will be able to see what's on each of them. And if you want to move a file from here to your iPhone or between your devices that are connected, simply tap the 3 dots, click on Select everything you want to move. Click the 3 dots over here, copy, go back, and you can paste it anywhere. Let's say I want to paste it on the memory of my phone. I'll go over here. I'll keep press anywhere on the screen and select paste. And the files have been transferred from here to there. Once you're done, simply disconnect and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.